Well, I didn't get as much done today as I had hoped, but I got a lot done. So you can see down here, this is all welded in. And then up here, I made this plate on the top here and then welded everything in. So you can kind of see what I was doing there. And then also on the shock bracket, or a cross member. So I got that guy all welded in. This one's all welded. That's all welded in. So I think it actually turned out pretty good. See if I can, there we go. But hopefully that'll work. So all I got left, thinking about it right now, is I need to weld that guy where the coilover goes, and then this guy, same on this side. Gotta weld that guy, and then can't really see it, but that guy. So those couple welds there, and it's done. I just don't feel like welding anymore today. Anyways, that's where I'm at. Later.